covered the questions yesterday. We had discussed quantities. The question number, you asked me this place question. Any question was there which you have not done?
So question number fifth.
Question number 5th.
2.6.
In this question, this is 12th. It's 9th. Question number 12th. Chapter number 2nd we are running right now.
Yes, sir.
And these were question number 12th. Is this here? Divide the polynomials. There is up to
No,
the
sir.
chapter number 2.
Two.
Oh, sorry, chapter number 2, page number 2
Sir, you from NCERT notebook.
from NCERT notebook. Okay. Let's see, NCERT textbook. This is your
Yes, sir, from this.
page number. What is the page number?
So exercise 2.6.
2.6.
Question number fifth, second one.
Algebraic identities, right now?
Yes.
And what the algebraic identities we have studied? Yes, these algebraic
Yes, sir.
identities we have studied right now. Identities are x plus y whole cube. Is that clear now?
Yes.
And it's what? X cube plus
Plus
3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. You just see the pattern. It is the expansion of highest power of the first term to the highest power of the second term. Is that clear? See in the step. Power of x is 3, power of x is 2, power of x is 1, power of right now x is 0. We can make expansion here right now. X minus y. So do not learn here this, okay? Means separately. In the same identity you can set this x minus y. The identity, the term expansion will be same, but where the minus, where the y is occurring, means y occurs there 1 time, 3 time, 5 time, the term will be negative. So which term will be negative? Here y is occurring once, so this term will negative, okay? And here y is occurring square 2 times, so here will be positive. Here y is occurring 3 times, so which two terms will be negative? This and this. Clear? So your identity will be, is that clear? Right now this is simple. So x plus y whole to the power 3 is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy
So
square.
y will be
Y is negative. So if the y is negative, so minus if taken minus
there is
if
no
taken
negative
once,
sign.
3 times, 5 times, 7 times, minus odd times when multiplied. Odd times when multiplied, it remains same as it is. Like minus into minus plus, because twice we are multiplying, 2 times we are multiplying. Minus into minus into minus, 3 times we are multiplying. Again negative it is, okay? So first two minus will make positive, and this multiplication positive with the third negative is negative. Clear? Right now this is the identity here, and here will negative. Is that clear? So technique for learning here is that I'm telling you the technique of learning this. Listen here guys. So highest power of this is what here 3, okay? Second term. Now next power will here what, please tell me? 2. Next power of x will be here what, please tell me? X. And next power will x will be here 0. X power 0 means 1. So y will here y power is here 0. 0 1 2 3, right? Here y power 0, here y power 1, here y to the power 2, here y to the power 3. Means it is the expansion of increasing the power of first term, decreasing the power of second term. Is that clear? From the left side power of x decreases, and from the left side power of y increases. Is that clear? And the coefficient will be 3. And there is a means a very simple rule here to bring the 3 also, but it's not beyond your course study, otherwise I will tell you this. If you want to know how the coefficient comes, then I can tell you this. Look please, this is a Pascal triangle, this is called. Right now suppose it's a x plus y, okay, whole to the power 0, and here x plus y whole to the power 2, and it's x to the power y whole to the power 3, x to the power x plus y to the power 4. I'm telling the trick of learning this, okay? So its power is 0. If the power is 0, here is taken 1. Clear? Right now here this power is 2, so it's taken as 1 plus 1. The coefficients are here. What is the coefficient of this? Please tell me.
One.
No, its power is 1, sorry. Its power is 1. So we'll write down. Its power is 2. And its power is 3. And its power is 4. I am telling to bring the coefficient. Alright now? So what? The power of 0 is here 1's time taken here. Okay? And the power is here 1.
One.
So coefficient is 1 and 1. 1 and 1 is taken here. This. Again the coefficient 1 1 here is 1 plus 1, what will here? 2.
Two.
1 plus 1, 2 is there. Is that clear? Again, here 1 and here 1. You just see. So 1 plus 2, what is that here? 3.
Three.
1 plus 2, what is that here? 3. The coefficient are 1 3 3 1. You will see this. The coefficients are 1 3 3 1. Is that clear? And what is the coefficient of the expansion of x plus y? 1 2 1. What is the expansion of x plus y whole square? Y x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Is this here or not? What are the coefficients? 1 2 1. And what is the coefficient of x plus y whole cube? 1 3 3 1. Is that it? 1 3 3 1. And coefficient for this here will be 1 and here will be 1. So tell me.
Four.
4.
Four.
No.
Sorry, I am not seeing. Six. Four.
4. So what are the coefficient of x plus y whole to the power 4? 1 4 6 4. So it's a simple expansion. What is the power here?
One, four, three.
What is the power here?
Two.
How many terms are here?
Three.
3. What is the power here?
Three.
How many terms are here?
Four.
If the power will be 4, the term will be.
Three. No. Five. Five.
Is that clear? The power is.
Zero.
The terms is
One.
some power 0 of anything else is
Zero.
power 0. Give you 1. Okay. Power is.
One.
So it can be written as x plus y. How many terms are there?
Two.
2. Power is.
Two.
And the terms are.
Three.
Power is.
Three.
Terms are.
Four.
Power is 4. The terms will be
Five.
5. And coefficient how we bring? So what will be the expansion of x plus y whole to the power 4? However, this is not in your course, but I am telling this is very interesting. Okay. What is the first term will come here?
X.
Okay. And here y power will be 0.
Zero.
Second term s power
Four.
3. Expansion with decreasing power of first term, increasing power of second term. Why? How many times?
One.
X to the power.
Two.
Y.
Two.
X to the power.
One.
Y to the power.
One. Three.
3. And x to the power.
Zero. X.
0. So we will not write. And y to the power.
Two. Four.
4. Y to the power 4.
Four.
Please call how many terms are there? Can't.
Four.
1 2 3 4 5.
Five.
Power is 4. Term is
Five.
5. Right now. What are the coefficient? Tell please.
One.
One.
Coefficient one.
Coefficients are here.
1 4 6 4. 1 4 6 4 1.
Yes. 1 4 6 4 1. This is the identity for x plus y whole to the power 4. Can you make the identity for x plus y whole to the power 5? How many terms will be there?
6.
6. 1. And here also
1.
1. Right now. So what is that?
5. 10. 5. 1.
So speak this please. X plus y whole to the power 5. What is that?
X5
X5
plus X4 Y1 X3 Y2 X4 Y3 X2 Y3 X1 Y2 X1 Y2 plus and Y1
no 3.
3
Four.
4 5
Count the term how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a pattern. So you actually have to see pattern in mathematics. Not learn a lot of things here. Start learning that. Is that clear? See that how. And what is this pattern is called? It is called Pascal triangle. Pascal gave an idea to how can we just make it. Pascal, why it is called Pascal triangle? This means the every next is brought by adding this. This plus this will give this. This plus this. Right now, can you give the expansion for 6 also? Can we give the expansion for the 10 also right now? It means this is called binomial expansion. What called it?
Binomial
Is it
expansion.
power? So why don't I write here in the manner? Sometimes some people write the expansion in this way. X square plus y square plus 2xy. Why I'm not writing in this manner? Because we just have to write in the pattern. What pattern is there? X square and 2 times x and y. Because this will help you when you will study in the 11th class. Then this pattern will come again here. Right now? Means it is the expansion of decreasing power of the first term to the increasing power of second term. So first x maximum power, then n minus 1, then n minus 2. 1 decreases with power to the power of x, and 1 increases with the power to the power of y. Clear or not? Well understood you? So what the question you were asking me to tell me is?
Fifth. So question number
The
fifth.
question number?
Fifth.
The question number 5th is there.
Second one.
Second one.
Only extra time. पिछले साल की तो copies भी ऐसे ऐसे cover किए। इस सब भी copy। So can you please wait a minute?
Okay. You're using this Pascal triangle. Please asking what questions you are asking me, please.
Sir,
The question 2.6.
Question number fifth, second one.
2.6.
Yes, sir, that.
It's a 2.5.
I think 2.5 only.
What is that?
So that.
Question number 6. Second
Seven.
question.
Fifth, sorry.
Fifth.
Second one.
Factorize. Fifth question. Question 5. And it says 2x square. 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz Have a look this next slide. What is it saying? 2x square 9y square plus 16. The pattern, what pattern we are observing? The pattern we are observing, the first term square, this can be written as what? 2x whole square. Can we write this or not?
Yes, sir.
The second term is
3x
3y whole square, the pattern. The third is also 4z whole square. Okay. So you may just see the square of the first three quantity, the pattern we are observing. What the identity associating with this? It's a square, it's a b square, it's a c square, right? No, plus what comes further? 2ab, 2bc, and twice 2ca. Is this here? Right? And further, this can be written as what? A plus b plus c. It means that if this type patterns occurring here, means this type situation when occurs in that, right now, so left side can be transformed into the right, and right side can be transformed into the left. Is that clear not? So what can we write in this? Please tell me further. So here will a square, b square, c square, twice ab by. So whether it's getting suit with this pattern, you may see this. Here is a, it's a b, it's a c. So 2 times here must come a, and b is what here? 3y. Is it getting suit with this? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12xy. Is it coming here? Yeah.
Yes.
Now next also 2 times b, and what is c here? The c is 4z. Okay. Now next is also 2 times
4z.
what? 4z, and
Plus
what next? 3x.
2x.
2x it is. Okay. Now listen. But all the terms are here positive in the identity, and here in the question 2 terms are negative. You just may see. Okay. X, y, y, z, and z x may. So which 2 terms are negative? These 2 terms are negative. So what is common in them?
Z.
Z is common. So due to Z, this could be negative because both are negative, and Z is common in both, so both can be negative. So it means due to the negativity of the Z, the term becomes here, became here negative, negative, right now. So and listen, so Z can be negative here, or also what is common in them? Y, and due to Y this can be negative, and due to X this can be negative. So there are the two ways. First way is X and Y both are negative, and second only Z negative. So there are the two ways that it can be written here. It means Y, it can be negative, so Z will negative here, so Z is negative here, and Z is negative. Is that clear? Due to the negativity of Z, this term is occurring negative. Is that clear now? So what we can write further here? A square, b square, c square, it shall be positive,
2ab.
it shall be negative, it shall be negative. So what the condensation condensed form will here? 2x plus 3y minus 4z and 4 square. Is that clear now? And twice we can write here because we need to factorize, I think. Okay, twice it means what you will write here? It's a 2x plus 3y minus 4z once, and the second also you can write the same time because we are doing the factorization. So not only the expression with minus 4z you can write, but also this and this negative, this also can be written as or minus of 2x minus of 3x and plus 4 of z. This also can be written. Okay. So this is negative will become positive, this is negative, they will become positive. Here negativity of x and y, minus minus plus, so plus will occur here. But here it will be negative, it will be negative. Is that clear now?
Yes.
Well understood you. So can you solve the second question of that here also?
I don't understand.
The second question, the second of the same here. If you look, question number 5, 2.5, and second 2 times x square. I'm telling what is your difficulty, and 8z square here. Clear? And what next is 2 times root 2 and xy, and what next is 4 times root 2 yz, and what next is minus 8xz. You will see this is, so you just see the pattern, same pattern is occurring here. However, the question is coming as giving means you are solving in chapter 2 question number 5, and these identity are being used here. But in examination, the question will come in intermediate situation. Right now, you will not get a clue. This question is coming from the second chapter. So this will also be the difficulty here. So at the time, you have to see the pattern. Means what type of pattern is there. Actually, your mind works with the pattern. Oh, this type. After this is coming. Right now. So a square, 3 terms square is there. So the same pattern we are observing here. Is that clear not? So, but how can we write in the condensed form this? So obviously here if the 4 were there, so you can write 2x square, but here 2 is there. So how can you write them as a square? So this could be written as root 2. The square of root 2 is what here? 2. So what you can write in this place, please? Root 2 x and whole square. And here is y square. And here this can be written 8. No, 4 4s are 16. 8 can be written as root. 3 2s are here. 3 2s are here means what?
3, 2, 3.
Yes? So this will come out as, right now, because it's having the power equal to indice. What is this indices? 2.
2.
So this 2 root 2 will be written as, its square is what will here? 2 2s are
4.
4 and root 2 into root 2 2. 4 2s are 8. So 8 can be written. This is the difficulty with you actually. Right now it's a set also. 4 square. Clear guys? Right now? Now next. You need to set them twice first term, okay, and second term. Next please, twice second term and third term. Is that clear not? Twice third term
And first term.
and first term. What is first term?
Root x.
Now match is coming or not here?
Root x square.
2 root 2. Numerical. 2 root 2 xy is coming.
2x.
2 2s are 4. 4 root 2 yz is coming. 2 2s are 4 and root 2 into root 2 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 zx. Is it coming? Yes. What the term negative here?
Minus 2.
Means the term of xy and xz negative. Xy and xz negative. So what is common in them?
X.
X. So x can be negative or
Root 2 will be negative.
root 2 will not be negative, it's coefficient. X can be negative or yz both can be negative. The two way are there. Just I told here. Only z can be negative or xy can be. So this can be written in condensed form. Please speak here what will here. The condensed form will be what? Root 2 x plus what? 2 root 2 just no, it's y and 2 root 2 z. It is this. So what can be negative here? So x can be negative. So x can be negative, right now. Or also you can take root 2x and here y can be negative. Is that clear? There are the two ways of writing that. Means yz can be negative or only x can be negative. There are the two way of writing that. Okay. So you will write this or this, anything else, right? This is the factorization. You got this, Anna? Okay, you may write. Go on fast this please.
So can you please be assigned?
Look the question number 6. What type of pattern you are observing the pattern? In the question number 6, 2x plus 1 whole to the power 3 means a plus b
A
whole
plus
cube
whole
pattern.
cube.
Okay, can you write the solution here? I am telling the question number 3rd of the series. Okay, you will
Sir,
solve
give
first.
this homework.
I gave the homework. Have you done this or not?
Yes, sir. I know I give. So third and fourth you have give homework and first second you have tell.
Now see the question number 7. Evaluate the following. This also I told you this in class. Right now 102 is there. The pattern 102 cube is there. Solution number what? 7. Question number
Second.
2nd. What is it here?
102 whole cube.
102 whole cube. Means the multiplication calculating means the cube of any number calculating is not pattern here. Actually, what is the application of a plus b whole cube? What is the application of a minus b whole cube is important here. Okay, means it's the questionnaire solving is actually make you is the purpose of making you understand about the application of identity, means where the use of identity is there. Okay, so the use of identity is what this expression can be written as 100 plus 2 and whole cube is there. Is that clear? So we are just seeing here pattern, the some binomial expansion is there. It is a or it is b here. So a plus b whole cube can be launched. Okay, so what will be here? Please speak the identity. A plus b whole cube, and further a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3a b square, and it's a b cube also. Clear or not? So what can we write here later? A 100 plus 2 is that clear? Cube. So first term cube, and what next is 3 first term
100
square, and 2 what next is 3 and first term and 2 whole square, and 2 whole cube is also there. Is that clear now? Now can you expand this further? Please go on speaking. 2 times 0 is there and 3 times will multiply. How many times will come here? 6 times will occur here.
Yes.
Is that clear? In power 2 times, the 0 will here 4 times.
4 times.
Right now? So here will 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here will 3 twos are what? 6.
6.
And here 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 2 twos are 4. 3 fours are 12. 1 and 2. And 2 twos are 4 twos are 8. Now can you add them? Is that it? This is the simple pattern here. So you need to multiply this and add them all together. Clear? So what will it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's what here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And what here? 400. What shall it is? 8 is there. Okay, now add them all. Can you add them? It's 1's place 0, it's 1's place 0, it's 1's place 8. It's 10's place 0, 0 and 0. It's 100 plus 0, 0 and 4. Clear? It's the 4th place 0, 0, nothing. 5th place 0 and its place is what? 6. Is that clear now?
Yes.
This 5 place it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, right? Here this. It's the 6 places 0. And it's this. Is that clear? Sometimes it is difficult for the student to add them in this manner. So that's just right here, one bottom, one bottom each other. Right now. Next, please. The question number 7. We have done this. The question number 8 is also. What pattern we are observing here? You must see the question number 8. What is saying question number 8? What is that? It's 8a cube plus what next is? b cube plus 12a square b plus
6ab square.
b square there. Clear much? So is there any pattern we are observing? Yes. What pattern? The cube of the two terms is there. Okay. So this can be written as the same way what we have written here.
But there is square also.
Nothing else. So cube pattern is there. The identity I told you this. The same identity. A one term cube, second term cube. Two terms has a cube coming here, and two term has a square is coming here. Right now. So in that place, what can you write? Twice a whole cube, and here b whole cube. Can we write this out? And first term cube, second term cube. What the next term comes here? 3 times first term.
Square.
You forgot that pattern. And the second term comes alone. And the next is 3
Three.
twice a and it's
B
a
square.
b square. So these terms are getting matched with this. 2 twos are
4.
4 threes are
12.
12 a square b is coming. Yes. Again 3 twos are
6.
a 6 a b square is coming.
Yes.
Yes. So in that form, first term cube, second term cube, 3 first term square, second term, 3 first term and second term square. What can we write in this place? 2a plus b and whole cube. So thrice, 3 times we can write them together. This is the factorization by using identity. Is that clear? I will hope to solve this question by you the remaining. Right now, do the practice more in mathematics. If you do more practice, you will learn more. Is that clear? Go on proceeding to solve them, please. All the 8 questions, okay? This all. Your assignment, you just have to do question number 8, 9, 10.
So I'm writing this question.
Okay, what is your assignment? Assignment of the day, question number 8, all questions. And you also will try for 9, 10 also.